Everyone, good morning. I'm making this video. I'm sitting on the sink of my kitchen wastewater tank, and what you're just saying is the kitchen of my house. In this video, I want to talk to you about what to expect from XEmpire Listing. I want to give an advice on what to expect and what not to expect. During the listing of Hamster Combat and Rocky Rabbit, people were disappointed, especially with Rocky Rabbit. After paying 0.5 ton, Rocky Rabbit still gave everybody the list. What they listed was less than 0.5 ton, and some people said that they are scam. And Hamster Combat, people trusted them that we've made money for them. They've done this, they've done that, and everybody was expecting big payout. At the end of the day, Hamster Combat listed 0.01. In the case of Rocky XEmpire, we are going to be listing in a few hours' time, and they're going to do their snapshots in a few hours' time, and in some hours after that, they are going to be listing. What should we expect and what should we not expect? What is my advice on that? Just like Rocky Rabbit, XEmpire is requesting for 0.5 ton to be paid as part of their eligibility criteria. Now, should you pay? Should you not pay? I have paid for it a long time ago. My wife also paid for it a long time ago. My two children doing XEmpire, I paid for them yesterday. Now, what I want to tell you is that I cannot force anyone to pay, or I cannot say pay or not pay, but I will advise you to pay. The reason is that if eventually everything now comes out fine and you do not pay, that means you are not going to take part. Risk is involved in every business. The 0.5 ton you are talking about in Naira is about 5,000 or 6,000 Naira. And what you want to get out of it is much more than that. It's like you may be getting like 10 times or 20 times what you are putting into it. Please mind you, what I'm saying is an advice. I'm not forcing you that you must pay the 0.5 ton. I'm just saying for you to meet up with eligibility criteria which they are set up. Why don't you just take the time to pay the 0.5 ton that they are asking you to pay? So if you have it, take the risk, pay. If it comes out well, fine. If it doesn't, fine. You move on. You've learned a lot of things more than the people that don't pay. Some people will say, don't give. It's for some other cryptos, people gave and people were surprised with what they will receive in return. So it's a risky thing that you have to do. If you really mean business, go ahead and pay, and then you see what they are going to list eventually and what they are going to give out. Many people have said that those who paid extra on XEmpire, they are giving them coin like no man business. Well, we don't know what they are going to list. I am thinking that with those coins that are given out to people that paid, it may be a dust that they are going to get eventually. But whether it is a dust or not, you just know that you have tried your best. Many people will say, I'm not going to put this in, I'm not going to do this, I'm not going to do this. Many people also are there. The first week of that they started, they got to know about the crypto airdrop like 3 to 4 months ago. They did it, so after second week, they left it. They didn't touch it again. Now they hear that they're going to list about a week ago. They come back again. Now what happened in that 3 months interval? Many people that even started, even if you are spending 10 minutes every day, just go, do this, just do all the daily tasks and get out. Do all the daily tasks and get out. Take your rubles, take your reduce, and if possible, watch 1 or 2 videos and get out. Just do all the daily tasks and get out. And I'm telling you, if you really mean to do them, it doesn't take you 10 minutes to do them in a day. So do all the daily tasks and get all the daily points. It doesn't take you 10 minutes. And then you do that every day. You are doing it. Every day you are doing it. You'll be surprised what you are going to get out of this XEmpire. So what I'm trying to say is that many people see the crypto airdrop as if it's just something that can make them rich in one day. I can bet you that nobody can be made rich in one day with one singular crypto airdrop, like maybe XEmpire, Rocky Rabbit, or Hamster Combat. It takes accumulation. So you do this one, you do this one. Now from XEmpire, I made like 20-something thousand, and from Hamster Combat, I made like about 20-something thousand. My wife made about 30,000. My children made more than 10,000. 2 of them that took part in it, they made more than 10,000 Naira each. Now that is without depositing anything. all you're doing is to buy data, and that same data they're using for other crypto airdrops, and they're even doing much more than I'm doing. And because it will holiday time, now that they are back in school, it will reduce what they are doing, and also what I'm doing also will get reduced. But at every free time I have, I'm going to also use it for this, because many times people waste time. So this is time you're supposed to waste. So you are putting it into something. People waste a lot of time, most times, gossiping, watching movies that that don't concern them. Now, my wife was telling me that when was the last time she watched all those movies she used to watch? It's a long time, because she's busy trying to make money using these crypto airdrops and doing this and doing this and doing this and studying this, and then she knows about many things. So the listing of XEmpire is at hand. Just you have to decide what you want to do. Many people spoke about hamster combat and told people, do it. They were making videos and estimating and doing all kind of things. When I came up and I did the calculation for hamster combat, I told us that I didn't give us any figure. I said, let us work with 0.07. Maybe if they are going to give 0.07, we work with that. I said, okay, let's all work with 0.7. We work with that. Let's all work with 0.007 with 2 zeros. We work with that and see and saw what it's going to give if you are given 1,000. If the token they are giving you is 1,000, and then we arrive at the dollar value, and then we arrive at the naira value. Eventually they gave 0.01, so just use the same formula I used for the 0.07 to calculate. So I was not giving any figure. I was just showing you how you can calculate your own amount that you got. Now let me also state here that many people get their cryptos, their airdrops, and then to exchange it, they start selling to people that they know. They price it very low. Go on Bybit and utilize the P2P. I'm going to make a video on that today, and I'm going to upload it, how you can go to Bybit and use the P2P feature on Bybit to get started on to make payments and to do a transfer. So I'm going to talk to you in the next video. Please, I want to like this video, share the link of this video, subscribe to this channel, and drop your comments and questions in the comment section below. Dr. Olubengadetitun is my name, and I'm the brain behind this YouTube channel. I bring you content like this almost every time. Just yesterday night, I made 3 videos. I uploaded 2 of them yesterday night, one at 7 p.m., one at 9 p.m. The third one, I've uploaded it this morning. So this one I'm making now, I'm going to upload it also this morning. And just keep informed. And the mining for XEmpire has not ended. It's going to end in a few hours time. So this, as I've seen this video, keep mining, go and do all the daily tasks, everything you need to do it. You don't know what it is going to take for you to be where you ought to be. So decide quickly if you are going to buy the you're going to pay the 0.5 ton, or you are not going to pay. So decide on time, and you can be good to go. So I'm going to talk to you in the next one. This video popping up by the side now is the next you need to watch on this channel. On this channel, I teach you how to make money online and offline. Basically, I started by teaching people how to make money offline, but I'll realize that all the make money offline that I'm doing requires you to spend money. So I've been brainstorming how can people make money online without spending money, and this is one of the ways, and that is through crypto airdrop. And I am passionate about it. I was very, very happy. People that are referred to Hamster Combat, a lot of them made money, and they are getting to trust me. All I just want is people to just make money. Me, I don't care whether they do anything for me or not. What I care about is for you to make money. So if I see opportunity that is legit, I bring it to you. And please, as I bring it to you, take action on it. Don't just sleep down there and be looking. When I refer you to this now, you just be looking. You don't do anything about it, and you are saying you want to make money. So you do something about it. You do the task. You do everything daily. You do the task, and you are busy on the app and the different app. After doing this one, move to this one. After doing this one, move to this one. There are people that take this crypto airdrop as full-time job. So even though you have a job you are doing, so the change they are giving you, with your spare time you are using, you should be happy with it. And we'll talk to you in the next one. Let's go ahead and watch this video now. I will see you in the next one. Bye-bye.